How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. If you're a Mustang or Lightning enthusiast that enjoys garage or shop time, then this LMR Fender Gripper might appeal to you. This Fender Gripper features lightweight, slip-resistant vinyl mesh that is both soft and cushioned to ensure comfort and to protect body panels from scuffs and scratches while you're working. It's constructed from high-strength PVC and nylon mesh material, which will prevent slippage and resist most greases and oils. This Fender Gripper incorporates our LMR logo and measures 22 by 34 inches, so it'll do a great job in protecting large areas. Now, I have about 6 of these around our shop, and how I use them is pretty simple. I ensure that the surface or body panel is clean and that the back of my Fender Gripper is clean. I then set it on the surface and then get to work. Now, for the most up-to-date product pricing and information on this Fender Gripper, be sure and check out the product page. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.